Hey everyone, Vince here. Today I'll show you how I earned almost $3,000 investing on eToro. Plus, with all the massive crypto movements happening recently, I'll also show you exactly how you can get started today. So this is what eToro looks like when you first sign in, everyone. Straight away, you'll see your account balance. And right now, you'll notice that I have $1,036.27 USD currently waiting to be used. Underneath that, you have the biggest movers for the day, which is currently on my watch list. So right now, we can see that 3 cryptocurrency pairs that I've actually been watching are currently down from yesterday. The eToro app is so easy to navigate, everyone, but it is actually quite complex. So I will break down exactly where you should go and how you can use it. Now we're currently on the home tab at the bottom of the screen, but right next to it we have the watch list. Now this watch list is where the real magic happens, guys, because any sort of stock or currency or anything pretty much that you want to watch will be available on this watch list. So every single day I can check in on how things are moving and if I actually want to make a trade or not for that certain day. Next we have our portfolio. Now this is where you're going to monitor your active trades or any type of orders you've placed. Taking a look at my account history, we can actually choose the time frame of what history we want to view. I'm going to go in the last 30 days, and in the last 30 days, I managed to make $152.75, 8.07% return on target, everyone, as well as a $48.75 return with oil. In the last 30 days, I've made a 3.28% return on my total investments, and for the whole year, I've managed to generate $1,659.64 worth of USD currency. Now looking at my actual trading history, you can see all the amount of money invested over time of the year, but always keep in mind, this is not individual trades, everyone. This is me taking out money, then inserting money again, and continuously cashing in and out. Because when I was trying out eToro, I wanted to try and trade so many different assets. And I think I did pretty well all in all. So if we convert that $1,659 into Australian currency, that converts into $2,627.45, which is really solid. Now looking at my overall trading for the year, we have a 22.25% return, and that started in March of 2024. So not even the full year, everyone. And I managed to get 22.25% return. I'm pretty happy with that. Again, just to be clear, it's not like I invested $37,000 or so into oil at once. This is throughout the entire year, everyone. Back and forth trades, okay? So just making that 100% crystal clear, the numbers you're seeing on the screen now under the invested tab are not one-off investments. That's over the year, in and out, okay? It combines it all into a total number. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency and how you can start investing in it today with eToro. I just quickly thought I'd mention, if you enjoy what I do here on YouTube, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm hoping we can hit 150 likes on today's video. I would absolutely love it. Thank you so much, guys. So everyone, this is the wallet tab, and here is where you can actually deposit or withdraw if you don't want to use the main menu. Tapping on the add funds button in the middle of the screen will take you to the fund your account area. Generally, I like to invest $1,000 worth of Australian currency at a time, everyone, but the minimum here in Australia is $82 to start investing with eToro. It's 50 USD minimum, which is so cheap. Now I chose to use my debit card to invest with eToro. In your own country, it may be different, but I have instant deposits thanks to this. So let's just say I want to invest $200 worth of Australian currency. In fact, everyone, if you use my link in the description below to join up to eToro and deposit your first $100, you'll get $10 worth of cryptocurrency completely for free in return. Remember, only if you use a link in the description. Plus, while you're there, you can follow me and even copy my trades. Okay, deposit is now completed just like that, guys, so quick. And now the funds are in my account, ready to be traded. So, tapping on the Discover tab is going to take us to the main area of eToro, in my opinion. This is where you can find essentially every single asset on the market on eToro. Plus, you can browse through the community as well, find top traders, invest in portfolios of top traders or eToro's recommended. You can even see the community's choice of the most popular stocks right now if you don't really know what to look into. They've essentially made a Discover tab as easy as possible to understand. Everything you need is right there. It looks like right now 116 people are posting about Bitcoin, 100 about XRP, 89 about the SPX, 89 about the Nasdaq, 69 about Tesla. I find the daily movers a very good area to check out, so you can see if one of the companies that you may know of has taken a big tumble or it has in fact boosted in price. At the top of the screen, you can either search for a specific asset, or you can simply just use the little buttons representing each individual asset area. So for today's video, we're going to focus on crypto. Now again, same exact situation. We have the biggest movers and losers. They show us the biggest by market cap, and you can even see a large amount of the portfolios. These portfolios essentially make it so you can press a couple of buttons and invest in a whole range of cryptocurrencies. That works for any assets portfolios, by the way, just FYI. Like even under the stocks tab, you have your portfolios at the bottom of the screen as well. I find these portfolios great for beginners, by the way. So I'm going to tap on the coins button. Here is where we can see every single crypto asset that eToro has. Of course, we have Bitcoin at the top of the screen, which is currently down almost 3% for today. We have Ethereum, which is down almost 2.5% for today. Essentially, every crypto is going down today at the moment. But if you guys have been watching crypto lately, you know it's not going to be for too long. So tapping on Bitcoin is going to give us a full in-depth breakdown of the asset. You can see the current price and the amount it's down for the day. You also have the full chart access. So I can go from 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and max. They also do have the more advanced charting options as well, which I find very, very helpful. Isn't it crazy to see how Bitcoin's grown over the years, dude? Either way, with today's slippage, I'm hoping that it doesn't fall below 100k, because now would be the perfect time to show you how the investing system works on eToro. I'm going to tap on the trade button. Now at this point, we can either buy or short Bitcoin. We're going to stick to non-leveraged trading under the buy area. So my leverage is ×1, which technically eToro will allow you to go 2 times on the leverage for Bitcoin. And the minimum amount I need to invest is $10 worth of USD. That is absolutely outstanding to me, how little you need to invest into Bitcoin to get started. Now what you'll notice is that the price is actually slightly different from what we just saw, and that's because of the price spread, ladies and gentlemen. If you tap on the estimated cost area, you will see the spread, aka the ask and bid price difference. That's how eToro does its fees, by the way. So we technically have a $2,000 spread at the moment. Realistically, what that means is that once I actually purchased Bitcoin, we're going to be minus because of the spread. This is why you have to enter in at the right time. So for you guys out there that just invested your $200 after watching this video and joining through my link, let's just say you want to put the $200 into Bitcoin, you type the 200 in, you can set a stop loss or take profit if you want. And then just like that, everyone, you tap the buy button. Now the order has been filled. And that is literally all there is to it. Do you see how easy eToro makes it? It's actually quite crazy. Now checking back on my portfolio, the trade is active. And I am technically down $4.09 or so there. Again, because of the spread. And that's all you literally have to do at this point. The trade is on, and you can move on to other assets if you want, or just keep on reinvesting into Bitcoin. When it comes to withdrawing funds as well, eToro has no problems with that here in Australia. I receive my funds generally within 2 to 5 days, depending on the amount of money. Just keep an eye on the spread, obviously, but I really believe you can make some decent cash on Bitcoin right now. Of course, that's just my own opinion. You can do whatever you want. If you're worried about being asleep or missing a big movement, simply place a take profit order. So I just change it that I make a $5 profit on this trade, which is 2.5% of the position amount, and I go update. So even if I'm not there, the trade is still going and the take profit will kick in if it hits that mark. Something I will say as well is that eToro works perfectly on desktop, by the way, everyone. If you have a computer, I highly recommend you use eToro on it. Here you can see the current trade we just activated, and no real movement so far. I'm very curious to see where this is going to go. I'm going to leave it on for a while, guys, to see if I either DCA into it, aka dollar cost average trade, or we just take that $5 profit. On the Discover tab, if you head over to the Smart Portfolios area, or if you continue to scroll down, you can find Core Portfolios, which have BlackRock models attached to them. These are really doing well when it comes to return on investment. Like, as I said, with eToro, it literally just tells you the stats that you need to know. At a quick glance, we can see which portfolios here have really given the best return on investment. Here we have one called Congress Buys, which means the US Congress members have purchased these stocks the most. Now that's pretty cool. Of course, we have the crypto area, which has some insane returns, almost 200% there on return on investment in the last year. And that's for any of these portfolios, by the way. Then you can just simply go to view all portfolios and decide which one you want. Now there is CopyTrader as well, which is obviously where you can copy popular investors. I am hoping that one day I will hit that mark, everyone, but at the moment I do have no copiers. So if you want to be my first copier, I would absolutely love that, or at least follow me on here if you haven't. But with a 22.25% return, I'm definitely not complaining. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And yes, it is possible to make money investing. You just have to do it quite wisely, in my opinion, and be patient. I will speak to you all next time. Thank you very much for eToro for sponsoring today's video. And I hope to see you guys follow me on eToro. I'll catch you next time.